how we use maths in our daily life like cooking. If we are making rice, we have to know how much rice we are taking and how much water we are taking in same ratio. For example, if we are taking 2 cups of rice, we should take 4 cups of water. Here we use maths as ratio. Ratio is related to maths. Gardening. While we are planting, we have to make rows and columns before planting them. Here rows and columns are related to maths to calculate the area of the field for sowing seeds. Banking. In bank we deposit our money and lend money from bank. The interest is calculated on the basis formulas of maths. Statistics. Statistics is the collection of data. For example, calculating the population of our country, land area, literacy rate with the use of maths. Area. In our daily life, we have to calculate any geometrical shapes like purchase land for construction, whitewash to our building. Arts and fashions. Maths is also used by artists to draw geometrical patterns on fashionable clothes. Arts and architectures. Maths is also used by artists to calculate the square footage of room, to lay out the floor space dimension. For example, the famous geometrical architecture is Eiffel Tower. Conclusion. The uses of mathematics is one's life infinite. The uses of mathematics is unquestionable for every individual. Mathematics is the queen of all science. It offers wonderful and successful in life. Now I will discuss about our maths hero, Srinivasa Ramanujan. He was born on 1887, 22nd December 1887. And his number is 1729. He was the greatest mathematician of our country and all of times. And he was died on 26th April 1920. He contributes analysis and numbers. The Indian government has declared his birthday as National Mathematics Day. Thank you.